Hi, I'm Cody.
Hi, I'm Johnny.
Today we're going to teach you how to mount an action camera on a cheap drone.
We had problems with the factory camera not producing usable footage for our YouTube videos. We proceeded to remove the factory camera from the drone and mount the action camera.
When we did that, we lost the function of the app. We could no longer see what the drone was seeing and no battery level indicator, which have been responsible for a crash, or 7.
That was not going to work for us. So we relocated the factory camera into the body of the drone.
This allowed us to keep the factory functions of the app and step up the quality of our drone video.
So here's the steps we took to accomplish all this. For this project, you're going to need a hot glue gun, a bowl for the screws, 2 micro screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, a Sharpie for marking, and a Dremel. If you don't have a Dremel, you can probably use a drill, but be careful.
So right now you guys are going to want to take the power of the camera out. You're going to take it off of the drone. Unhinge it from the mount that it was on. You guys are going to want to take all the screws of it out so then you can get to the motherboard, which you're going to bury inside of the drone shell. It may take a little bit to get it in. Now you're going to want to take the satellite antenna thing from the camera and mount it outside, because if you don't, the camera's just not going to work. It's not going to have connection. And now you're just going to want to put everything back onto it. And now you're going to want to put your camera mount on the bottom of where the other mount was. You're going to want to use the other mount from the camera, though. One tip to get the camera mount to stay on really well is you heat it up with a lighter or something. Right now this is the footage before, and now this is after. So it looks a lot better, and it just looks so much better. You can actually see, we can actually use it on YouTube. It just looks amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.